Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
And thank you for joining us at the Outlook Business Spotlight Achievers Award.
Thank you.
First of all, I would like to congratulate you for winning the award for being the Premium Construction Services.
Thank you, ma'am.
How do you correlate haste with craftsmanship?
So, see, haze with craftsmanship जो है हमारा जो हेज प्रीमियम सेक्टर का इज़ अ मेन कंपोनेंट. कोई भी जब डिज़ाइन कंसीव होता है उसको एग्जीक्यूट करना साइट पे वो एक डिफ़िकल्ट चैलेंज है. उसको कैसे हमने एग्जीक्यूट करना है विद अ प्रॉपर क्राफ्टमैनशिप, दैट इज़ अ मेजर रोल. सो वी हैव दैट प्रॉपर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, वी हैव अ प्रॉपर टीम टू केटर द क्राफ्टमैनशिप टू कंसीव द डिज़ाइन. जो आर्किटेक्ट ने डिज़ाइन बनाया उसको उसने किसी विजन से बनाया, उसकी विजन को कंसीव करके उसको एग्जीक्यूट करना साइट पे. उसके लिए जो क्राफ्टमैनशिप है दैट प्ले द मेजर रोल. तो इस क्राफ्टमैनशिप हमारा काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट है.
Right. Sir, in terms of technology and infrastructure, what benchmark Hays has set for others to follow?
I would not say benchmark. See, evolution is never-ending process. You evolve and evolve. So, with Hays, I can say we don't do substantial work. But yeah, in terms of benchmark, it depends upon project to project. Like if in some project, certain type of infrastructure required, certain type of methodology required, we do that. And in next project, above that level, we want something above that level, then we have the capability to do that as well.
Right.
So there is no such benchmark type thing. It's evolution.
So the benchmark improves with every coming
Evolution.
project,
It's a
right?
never-ending evolution
It's a
process.
never-ending evolution, right? Right. So the next question goes as: on what parameters does Hays quote for any project?
To be very precise, quality. If you want quality, we are a company, and I know we are not here to cater the mass. We are here to cater the clientele who wants quality. For them, quality is something they want to cherish in their life.
Right.
So we are here for them. If you want something quality, we are here for you.
So quality is the number one priority.
Is a main priority for us.
Right, right. So how does Hays perceive a project design?
Design. See, design is a word. For everybody, design is different. For people, design language depends upon their traveling, their experience, their vision. But for Hays, design is universal.
Right.
We see every project in terms of universal.
Okay.
In terms of global level.
Right.
So for Hays, design is universal.
Okay. Time management is an important aspect for any project, sir. The same methodology cannot be applied for different project demands, right? How do you cater to this need of the industry?
You are right. See, premium art and premium construction takes time. So you are right. So हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी, हमारी क्राफ्टमैनशिप हर एक प्रोजेक्ट में नहीं जाती. जिन प्रोजेक्ट्स में डिमांड है टू स्पीड अप द प्रोजेक्ट, उसमें क्या होता है, कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी कम होती है. सो वी कैन do the project really fast with infrastructure. We have infrastructure, German infrastructure, ready to move infrastructure. So we can do the quick. So in short, if I say we can also play T20 match, we can also play test match.
Oh, that's a good example to say. Yeah. So one last question to you. How does Hays feel getting the award for being the revolutionaries in premium construction services at Outlook Business Spotlight Achievers Award?
Feels good to be acknowledged at certain level. So it feels good.
That's great to know, sir. Thank you for sharing your valuable insights with us. And once again, I congratulate you for the award. Can you please stay back for some?